So in this video I'll be showing you how you can design um design what is it called, thumbnails thumbnails YouTube thumbnails for free. Okay, these are some of the things I've tried to do in the past with Reeve. So what do I need to do here? All you need to do is go to let me see, create album. Okay, so this is what I would do. Upload, click on this and upload a file, and I'll be uploading my picture. Where's recent? Yeah, my picture. So using reference image, generate reference image using the face in reference image, generate a thumbnail, a YouTube thumbnail, 16:9 aspect ratio for the tutorial. What tutorial? The one I'm about to upload. Yeah, so you can describe. Sometimes you would have to describe what you want by, maybe you want the person to look excited. You can tell the tool, oh, I want this to be an excited face with the hands pointing towards the topic, that kind of thing. If you want it to be a minimalistic one, you can tell it that you want it to be minimalistic. That means you don't want too many words on the thumbnail. So let's go. So you can copy this and take it to any other tool, right? So you can take it to another tool and see what it's going to give you. So one thing I love about Reeve is that it's going to give you multiple options. It's going to give you multiple options. You can see. So let's go. I don't like this one. See, AI thumbnail. I want exact topic. YouTube thumbnails. Beautiful thumbnails. Super easy. Okay. So now this is what we have. Okay, so let me download this one. And if you want it to appear on your device, you can just edit it or take it to a tool that you can use to download it. Export. So now this is going to enter my device, but just find out how it works for you on your own end, but just ensure that you are able to download it to a place that you can let me also take this one out. So we'll take the same instruction and go to another tool. Let's use Whisk. The same process. There's nothing that you're changing. The same process.
Why is nobody talking about what this woman is doing? Stop doing this.
Okay, so you can just go this. Now let's go to Whisk. Let's go to Whisk. Of course, Whisk used to be this. Let me see. I used to have Whisk as a special tool But then you can use Google Labs, Google FX to access Whisk. Okay, so let's try it on Whisk. Enter tool. Again, I'm going to just try signing in with a different account. Sign in Google. So all you need to do is to click on enter tool. Transfer your media to Flow. You may actually manually download any media you would like to transfer. I don't know. You can continue creating in Flow while we transfer your media. Try Flow. So yeah, I don't understand all of the new developments, but then share your creations with others. Get started. Happy sharing. Get started. Okay, amazing. So let's try creating something. Okay, go to new project. You see this new project. So yeah, what do you want to create? So upload your image. Upload image. Upload image. I agree. So what you can do is ensure that while you're uploading image, your phone, as you're using this, ensure that your phone is in desktop mode if you're using Google Chrome. But I don't think it's going to be an issue. Just kind of pinch your screen so that you can see full screen. So this is the image I want to upload. Done. And the same prompt that you gave it earlier. Use the face in the reference image. Generate a YouTube thumbnail. The tutorial, aspect ratio for the tutorial, how to create beautiful YouTube thumbnails with AI. Here. What's going on? Stop it. What's that? Using the face. What's wrong with these people? Okay. How to create? Sorry, I think it's because my phone was. Habego. Okay, guys, I think I'll just pause this tutorial. This tutorial at this point. They're glitching. Damn. Remove this. Let me just send it like that. So they're going to send me samples. Let's go back. You can always change whatever it is that you are doing. You see this? You can create variations of the purple pointing. Create variations. You see, it will create 8 variations. So you don't really need to bother ever again about about your thumbnails. You really don't have to bother. 8 variations created. You can describe anyone and say create the variation, right? Like this one now, for instance, I can click on this and say create the variation of the one holding hands on the face, holding both hands on the face, or whatever, and it will do that. Okay, so you see, so that's awesome. That's awesome. Let's see. Let me also get this one. and I'll make a post about it. So let's go back to Whisk. That's Flow, Google Flow. Can you see this, guys? This is crazy. This is incredible. No wonder they wasted my time, because this is incredible. Let me download it. How do I download project? Generate YouTube thumbnail tutorial. So yeah, I mean, with the click of a button, you can get this done. This is incredible. This is beautiful. So yeah, let's go. I'll see if they actually downloaded, and that'll be it for this. Go and try it out. Go and try it out, and then share your results.